Hello guys, this is my first video on this channel, and today I show you how to make a perfect video for YouTube. The first step, we have to go on Filmora here. Okay, now we go on new project, then we go here, and now we have to put your video. I have already here a video. Here, this is a random video we put here, but we do not nothing. First we go on a browser, then we write here id.com, click enter, then we choose our intro. Okay, we take this here, then we can see the intro now. Okay, this is the intro. Now we have to go here by objects, then we find the group text, then we go down and here write your name. I mean, that means that name. Then we click here, then we click here, then delete this, then click your YouTube name, channel, or your name. It's not I write free tutorials, then we click enter, we go other second one, then we click enter, then we go a third one, okay, now click enter, and let's see, just that we have to write your name, and then we go on project, then we make on from begin, then we click toggle playback. Okay, that's it. Then we go here, then we do nothing here, just start video render, then we can wait 2 minutes. I will back in 1 minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here are just 6 seconds left. Okay, now we go here, download your video. We have to wait, then you see here that the video is downloaded. We go here, we take the video, we put in here, then we go back to Filmora, then we go here and press right click, then we go on here, then we go on desktop, then we go here, this video, this is our video for intro on the Panzer, then we go open, then we just let here, we do nothing, then we go here, we go Panzoid again, then we go back, Then we search our outro video creations. Here we write outro. Okay, let's find a perfect outro. Yes, we have to find our perfect outro, and I think that's a nice one. Yes, that's nice. Then we go here, we see one more. Okay, nice. Then we go on the objects, then we go on the group text. Here it is, like and subscribe. The first text I like there, I like here, I do nothing here. Now we have to find here TV games. We're right here. TV games. Here, here we go here and write 3, 2 tutorials. Enter. Then we copy that. Then we go here, paste, enter, paste, enter, paste, enter. Yes. Now we go on the project, then we see that. Nice one. Okay, we go now to download, start video render. Okay, I will be back when this is finished. Okay, just 10 seconds left. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 50 seconds left. Now I'm gonna go and download your video. Now it has to download alone. Yes. Here. Then we go on Filmora. Yes, and go right click here. Then go on the video. Then this is the video. Then open with it here. Then we go on Opera or your browser. Okay, now we can close this. Now we go here, the right E-T. No wait, sorry. Let's write YouTube MP3 converter here. Then we click here. Okay, we go here. Here we write your music. This has to be a copyright music. Write 100 copyright free music. You here? Okay, we go in the description and you find font, nice one. Let's see how that sounds. Oh, that's not good. See that here. Now, maybe that. No, I think that a nice one can be Spectrum now. Invisible? Yes, that's a nice one. We go invisible. We copy the text. Then we click here. Enter. And we go on that music. Then we have to copy that link here, this link. Okay, now we have to copy. We go on YouTube MP3 converter, then we paste here, then we go download. We have to wait, I think some seconds. Yes, here, music here. Now here we have to download it. That's right, yes, now download. Now we put on the screen, go back. Now we are done. Now we have just to go here to audio, go music here, then here, then here, then here, then we have the music. We go now to medium, then we put first we have to put the intro. After 30 FPS. Okay, now we put the video, and now the last we put the outro. The outro don't have to be so long. I think that's enough. Yes, then we put that effect. Okay, that is enough. Okay, now we take our music, we put music, and now we have to cut him. This music is too long. So back. Yes. Then we put the music here. Now we go here, we take the music. Here. Then we go, we're done. Just we can start the video.
Uite cum a început, de exemplu, fac un videoclip.
Yes, this is the video.
Apoi
No, I forgot it.
1.
Now when you done, the outro is done. Now we are not done. Yet. We go on Opera. Go here. Now we go on. Wait, water. Wait. Oh, remove watermark from Filmora. Enter. Okay, and now we go here maybe.
Cristian.
Then we go in description. Oh, it's not in here. Maybe here. Yes. We have it here. Then we go in Filmora. We go here, then we go here, clicking, then we go here, right here, then we go on this site. You have the link in the description. Then we copy that, we put here, then we go back and copy the code, then we have to remove our internet connection. Then we go here, activate. Now was being registered. Okay, now we are done our video. Now we go on Filmora. We can open our Wi-Fi. Now we write here our video tutorial. Okay, now we go on export. We wait. This is a short video that way it's not long. Okay, now back. Here we go. YouTube. Upload. Select files. We have found our video. It means the easiest way. We go on Filmora. We go media. Oh, sorry, not here. So here we write Filmora. Then we go here. We have projects. Okay. Projects 1. No, this is not. Yes, I think the projects 2. Yes, here. Oh my god, no, this is not our project. Oh no. Ah. Whoa. Here. What's happening with our project? I think I deleted. I'm so sorry. I think I deleted. Oh man. Run away. I think yes, I deleted. I'm so dumb. I forgot to save it. By the way, you don't write me by Filmora, don't delete the video, but you can do intro, outro, and the music background and more. Okay, that was me. My name was Sebastian. If you like this video and subscribe, please do that because that helped me. And please be gentle because it's my first video. Thank you very much for watching. We see you in the next video. Bye bye.